How to report someone on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can report someone on Discord. If you want to report someone on Discord, first of all, you'll need to open your Discord application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here locate the message from the person whom you want to report. Once you open the chat page of the person, here you will need to tap and hold the message of the person, and then at the bottom you will see this menu. Here scroll down and at the very bottom you will be able to see report option. Tap on this report option and now here you will need to select one of these reasons. Once you have selected it, here you will be able to get two different options. Whether you want to block this person or mute this person. If you block this person, you will no longer get messages from this person. And if you mute this person, you won't see any message notification from this person. You can choose one of these options based on your preference. If you want to simply block this person, tap on the block option at the right side and the person will get blocked. After that, tap on the done button at the bottom and then you have successfully reported someone on Discord. So this is how you can report someone on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.